Alright, so here's our adapter. Done. Right, so clean it up. So what's gonna happen is that so this is gonna go there like so, and this and this vacuum adapter should slide in here like so. Maybe just upside down. Alright, so here's the adapter, and this is the my vacuum adapter sandblaster for BMW. So all I just it's the same way anyway. It's just that the Hyundai is a little bit wider. So I'm gonna, and this is just I just need an adapter so I don't have to reprint again. So this is just gonna slide this in like that, right? And then this should go here and here like that, like so, right? So you're holding this you're holding that, and while you're spraying the media like that and like that. So I'll show you later.